Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about village song and the long question. So 11 number of long question in this chapter. So here we are going to start. So first question is the who is the poet of village song? That is give a brief description about the poet. So the answer is the Sarojini Naidu is the poet and the village song. She was born in Hyderabad on February 13, 1879. She was a child prodigy, freedom fighter, and the poet. So she gave up their literary career to join the freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi. She was the first Indian woman to became the president of the National Indian National Congress. She was also the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh. She was popularly known as the Nightingale of India, and in the last, she passed away in the year 1949. And the second question is who does Honey Child refer to the poem Village Song and why? Honey Child refers to a young daughter in the poem Village Song. The mother of the young daughter loves her very much. A child is always lovable to her mother. Similarly, the mother always takes care of her children. That's why the mother in the poem Village Song is calling her daughter lovingly as Honey Child. And the next question is who are the speaker in the poem Village Song? What do they think about? And the answer is the speaker in the poem Village Song are a mother and her beloved daughter. They talk each other about marriage. In the poem, mother wants to see her daughter's happy married life, but the young girl does not wish to get married. In this poem, the mother persuaded her daughter to marry, but in reply, the daughter does not want to marry because she says that married life is full of unhappiness. And the next question is what does the mother question to the daughter in the poem Village Song? And the answer that is the mother puts different questions to the daughter in the poem Village Song. The mother asks her where she is going. The mother wants to know that whether she would cast all her jewels and leave mother who has fed her delicious food. The mother also asks her her whether she would leave the lover in grief who is coming to marry her. Then fifth number question is where does the daughter want to go and why? The answer is the daughter wants to go to the wild forest. She does not want to get married. She wants to stay back in the village which is surrounded by natural beauties. She never wants to leave the forest where champa buds are blowing and the river Isles frequently haunted by quails. These rivers and lakes are full of lotus and lilies. The music of nature attracts her to go to the wild forest. And the next question is what are the beautiful sights of forest mentioned in the poem Village Song? In the poem Village Song, the poet mentions various beautiful sights of the forest. The beauty of wild forest is enhanced by champa buds which are blowing on the champa bulbs. The rivers and the lakes are full of lotus and lilies. The place is frequently visited by quails. The music of streams, birds, and wind attracts the gull very much in this poem. Next question is 7 number that is how is the world full of happiness according to the mother? The answer is according to the mother the world is full of happiness. She tells her daughter about the joy of bridal songs, cradle songs and the sandal scented leisure. The mother has also kept silver and saffron glowing bridal robes. She has made bridal cakes for her daughter's marriage. The celebration of daughter's marriage, the celebration of marriage, and the happy moments with the family after marriage are enjoyable. And the next question, 8 number question is the letter of the son today, wind up dead tomorrow. Explain it. So answer the daughter does not want to marry. So she tells her mother that the bridal songs and the cradle songs have the pleasure, but they are short lived. Today the sun shines brightly with joy, but it will get dark after that. So she rightly replies that today's happiness is going to die soon. The material beauty never lasts forever. It is the beauty of nature which is eternal. 9 number question is, how does the mother arrange the marriage for her daughter? The answer is, the mother is very much anxious about her daughter's marriage. She wants her daughters to get married and settle, so she always feeds her good foods and loves her very much. She has arranged silver, saffron glowing bridal dresses and kept bridal cakes on the hearth for her marriage. Other things which are necessary for her mother marriage, like ornaments, clothes and food, which also been arranged for her marriage. Then 10 number question, why does the daughter refuse to marry? Because the answer is, the daughter refuses to marry because in her opinion, marriage brings happiness, but it is temporary. On the other hand, she finds peace and happiness in the wild forest with natural beauties and the natural music. So she wants to step back at the village to enjoy these eternal beauties of the nature whole life. And the next question is it necessary for the daughter to get married? Support your answer. And the answer is yes, it is necessary for the daughter to get married because marriage is an important event in a person's life. That is a part of the social life. Human life faces two different sides of life, that is happiness and unhappiness. So we find happiness by remembering all the odds in our life, then the life would be enjoyable. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then like, subscribe, comment and share also with your friends. Thank you.